Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Russell Mendoza, and I will be reporter number 1 for today. Question. Find the next 5 terms of arithmetic sequence, the first term, and the following equals and given. A sub 1 equals 18, D equals 86. Formula for the addition of an arithmetic sequence, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus sum of n minus 1 times 2. And we are given A sub 1 equals 18 and D equals negative 6. Now we need to find A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, and A sub 6. Now, this is the solution. A sub 2 equals 18 plus sum of 2 minus 1 times 6 equals 18 equals 6. So equals 18 minus 6 equals 12 for A sub 2. A sub 3 equals 18 plus sum of 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. So 18 minus 12 equals 6 for A sub 3. Then A sub 4 equals 18 plus sum for minus 1 is 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 18 minus 18 equals 0 for A sub 3. A sub 4, A sub 5 for A sub 4. For A sub 5 equals 18 plus sum of 5 minus 1 times 6 equals 4. 18 minus 24 equals negative 6 for A sub 5. And for the last, A sub 6 equals 18 plus sum of 6 minus 1 times 6. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So 18 minus 30 equals negative 12. So these are the next patterns are 12, 6, 0, negative 6, negative 12. For problem 2, the question is find A sub n of a given arithmetic sequence. A sub 2 equals 34, and A sub 10 equals 50, and A sub 3 is 20. We have A sub n equals A sub 1 plus sum of n minus 1 times b. From A sub 2 equals 34, we get A sub 1 plus d equals 34. From A sub 10 equals 50, we get A sub 1 plus 9 equals 0. Now subtracting the first equation from the second, we get AD equals 60, so B equals 2. Now, substituting B equals into A sub 1 plus D equals 34. We get A sub 1 equals 32. So, now therefore, A sub 1, A sub n equals 32 plus sum of n minus 1 times 2 equals 32 plus 2n minus 2 equals 30 plus 10. For A sub 20, we have A sub 20 equals 30 plus 2 times 20 equals 40. So 30 plus 40 equals 70. So our A sub 20 equals 70. Problem 3. Question. What is the first term of an arithmetic sequence whose last term is 207? The common difference is 3 and the number of terms is 14. Let A sub 1 be the first term, the last term is A sub 14 plus 207. And the common difference is D equals 3. Using the formula, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus sum of n minus 1 times b. We have A sub 14 equals A sub 1 plus 14 minus 1 times 3 equals A sub 1 plus 30 times 3 equals A sub 1 plus 39 plus 207. A sub 1 equals 207 minus 39 plus 168. So the first term is 168.